I'm going to compare the Levelook SD501, which is on the left, with the Jupiter Athena water ionizer on the right. And I've done lots and lots of comparison testings. But this particular one is going to be a two-part series. I'm going to compare the drinking levels, level 1, 2, and 3, first. And then the second part, I'm going to compare the strongest ionization levels. And also I will show you a few things that you can do with both of them to boost their ionization. Alright, so the first one is just drinking levels. I'm going to go ahead and get the water flow started.
Power on. It cleans it.
Okay, so with the Enagic, it does a cleaning cycle every so many liters, and so it's going to do that right now. With the Athena, it does continuous cleaning in the background, so basically it never needs to go through one of these cycles. But we'll just wait for a minute while that cycle is happening.
Strong acidic water.
Okay, so now I'm going to...
Kangen water 9.5.
Alright, let me try to reduce the flow of this Kangen a little bit. Alright, I think they're coming in about the same flow rate. Okay, that's about right. Now that is, you know what, I started out with the strongest level, so now I'm going to go down to, the next level.
Kangen water 9.0.
Alright, I normally don't do that, but I guess it's fine to do it that way. Alright, so we started out with the 9.5, which is the level 3 of the Athena. And I'm going to just go ahead and put these probes in there to start measuring that, just so they can settle into it. I'm going to go ahead and pour at this level 2. And then I'm going to change it to
Kangen water 8.5.
now this is the level 1, and I'm going to pour at this level now. Alright. See what we've got on this Kangen water 9.51. Alright, well the ORP is a negative 500-ish, negative 502. And that's not bad at all. And now for the Athena ORP, though, is a higher ORP. It's like a negative... I'm going to say it's going to be a negative 800. Because it's still going up pretty fast. But I'll call it like a negative 809 or 790. Alright, now on level 2 for the Enagic, it's coming in at a good ORP for level 2. It's coming in at negative 220-ish. And then the Athena, though, is a better. It's like a negative... Wow, that's pretty good. Gosh, it looks like it's going to be a negative 600. But I'll just call it at like a negative 500. Or I'm just going to let it sit for... Okay, it's a negative 600. Alright. Now, the level 1 of the Enagic is just lightly ionized. So it's like about a negative 130 or some thereabouts, negative 125. And then also with the Athena, it's only just lightly ionized, so it's like a negative 270. All right, now that's the ORP, and I'm going to move this ORP meter out of here. I'm going to go through the pH. Now, the level 3, this the strongest level, Kangen water 9.5, is coming in at 10.3 pH. And let's see what the Athena is coming in at, like a 10.2 pH. Alright, now the Enagic at level 2, which is a little bit weaker ionization, is coming in at 10.2 pH. And the Athena is coming in at 10.0. And what I'll probably do is I'll just go all the way down and come all the way back up again just to double check. Alright, 9.9. Let me just move this over to the level 2 of the Enagic and see what that really is. 10.1. Alright, and this was coming in at 9.9. Alright, so that's level 2. And then level 1 would be the weakest ionization, is 9.8 for the Enagic. Let me see if that will adjust if I stir. And it did. It went to a 9.7. And then the Athena looks like it's also a 9.7. Okay.